The Vitamix E310 might be your new best friend in the culinary world if you're looking for a kitchen powerhouse that can handle just about anything. As you'll soon learn in my Vitamix E310 review, this blender packs a serious punch with its variable speed control. You've got 10 different speeds at your fingertips, letting you fine-tune your blends to perfection. Want a silky smooth soup? Crank it up. Need a chunkier salsa? Dial it back. The Pulse feature adds even more control, perfect for those times when you want to keep some texture in your creations. The E310's 48-ounce container is just right for whipping up family-sized batches. And don't worry about tough ingredients. The 3-inch hardened stainless steel blades can take on everything from frozen fruit to nuts with ease. The Vitamix E310 isn't just about smoothies. You can make hot soups, nut butters, non-dairy milks, and even grind your own flour. It's like having a mini food processor, ice cream maker, and coffee grinder all rolled into one sleek machine. While it's a bit pricey, Vitamix blenders are built to last. They often outlive cheaper models by years. Plus, it comes with a 5-year warranty for peace of mind. The Vitamix E310 offers 10 different speed settings, letting you fine-tune your creations. You can start slow for chunky salsas or crank it up for silky smoothies. This versatility means you're not limited to just one texture. You can experiment with different consistencies for various recipes. Whether you're whipping up a creamy soup or crushing ice for frozen drinks, you've got the power to adjust on the fly. Plus, the Pulse feature adds another layer of control, perfect for quick chops or adding final touches to your culinary masterpieces. With this level of precision, you'll feel like a pro in your own kitchen, tackling everything from basic blends to gourmet concoctions with ease. The Vitamix E310's Pulse feature is a game changer because, with just a press of a button, you can quickly chop ingredients or create chunky salsas. This nifty function gives you precise control over the consistency of your blends. Want a smooth soup with some hearty veggie chunks? No problem. The Pulse feature lets you layer coarse bits over velvety purees, adding depth to your dishes. You'll love how easy it is to experiment with different textures and create restaurant-quality meals right in your own kitchen. Cleaning up after blending is a breeze with the Vitamix E310. Just add a drop of dish soap in warm water, then run the blender for 30-60 seconds. The powerful motor and blades create a vortex that cleans every nook and cranny. No need to disassemble or scrub by hand. This self-cleaning feature saves you time and effort in the kitchen. The stainless steel blades resist dulling and corrosion, making maintenance a snap. The E310's blades are a revolution in the kitchen. You'll find 4 aircraft-grade stainless steel blades, laser cut for precision with sharp edges that can handle tough ingredients with ease. The blade assembly creates a vortex, pulling food down for thorough blending, resulting in smoother smoothies and creamier soups. With 10 variable speeds, you have full control over the blades. You can chop veggies at low speeds or pulverize nuts at high speeds. The blades can even heat up your ingredients through friction. Perfect for making hot soups from cold ingredients. In my opinion, the Vitamix E310 hits the sweet spot with its 48-ounce container. It's big enough to whip up smoothies for the whole family, yet compact enough to fit under most kitchen cabinets. Plus, it's wide enough for easy cleaning and pouring. Whether you're making soups, sauces, or frozen treats, this container size gives you the flexibility to create just the right amount. Next up in my Vitamix E310 review, let's look at the pros and cons. You'll love the versatility this blender brings to your kitchen. With 10 variable speeds, you can fine-tune textures from silky smoothies to chunky salsas. The Pulse feature adds another layer of control, perfect for creating those hearty soups with just the right consistency. The 48-ounce container hits the sweet spot for most home cooks. It's large enough to whip up family-sized batches, but not so big that it becomes unwieldy. Plus, the 3-inch diameter blades ensure a consistent blend every time. Also, cleanup is a breeze. Just add a drop of soap and warm water, and the blender cleans itself in under a minute. Talk about a time saver. Additionally, the hardened stainless steel blades are built to last. They'll tackle tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruit without losing their edge. Also, a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system keep the motor running smoothly, even during heavy use. As for the cons, the price tag might make you wince a bit. It's a significant investment compared to basic blenders. While the 48-ounce container is great for most tasks, you might find it limiting if you regularly need to blend larger quantities. Also, be prepared for some noise. When running at high speeds, this blender can be quite loud. It might not be ideal for early morning smoothies if you got light sleepers in the house, but this goes for any blender, to be honest. Lastly, the size of the base is larger than some competitors. If counter space is at a premium in your kitchen, you'll need to factor this in. You'll find countless positive Vitamix E310 reviews highlighting its impressive power and versatility. Many rave about how it effortlessly blends even the toughest ingredients, creating silky smoothies and creamy soups. The durability is another standout feature, with some reporting their Vitamix lasting for decades. While the price tag might seem steep, many reviewers feel it's worth every penny. They appreciate the machine's robust construction and consistent performance. The easy cleanup is another big plus, making daily use a breeze. Some users mention the noise level on high speeds, but most find it a minor trade-off for the exceptional results. Overall, customers are thrilled with their purchase, often calling it a game changer in their kitchens. This Vitamix blender packs a punch in a compact package. You'll appreciate its robust motor and variable speed control, allowing you to tackle everything from silky smoothies to chunky salsas. The durable construction means it's built to last, potentially serving you for years to come. While it's on the pricier side, the versatility and performance justify the investment for many home cooks. Its ease of cleaning is a major plus, saving you time in the kitchen. The noise level might be a drawback for some, but it's a small trade-off for the power you're getting. If you're serious about blending and willing to splurge a bit, the E310 could be a game changer in your culinary adventures.